In this video, I'm going to answer the question, how much money can you add on Cash App? So there's a few parts to this question and we're going to cover all of them. First of all, if you're unfamiliar, Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance up here at the top. You can spend that balance with your card or sending peer-to-peer payments. But people are questioning how much money can you keep in your Cash App balance. So there's three things to look at here. First of all, we want to look at our limits. So you can tap the icon in the top right corner, scroll down, and tap on limits. So here will show your limits. Yours might be different than mine. You'll be able to send $25,000 per week, $50,000 per month. You can add $25,000 per week or $50,000 a month from your bank account. But if you receive money from other people, you can receive unlimited. And you're allowed to cash out $25,000 per week. The rest of these are Bitcoin limits down here. So let's go back. So let's say you had $100,000 in your account. You would only be able to cash out $25,000 per week to your bank account. So it could take some time if you have a lot of money in here to actually transfer it somewhere else if you need to. Now the other big thing that we need to understand, tap on this icon in the top right corner again, tap on support. I'm going to search FDIC. So FDIC Insurance, basically your Cash App account is the same as a bank account. It's insured up to $250,000. And you can read all of that information right here if you need to. Close all of that out. So the max you should have between like your cash balance and your savings here is $250,000 because that's what you're insured up to. However, you can keep however much money in here that you want. You can keep millions of dollars in Cash App balance if you want. It's just that it's not going to be FDIC insured if something goes wrong. So it's pretty much recommended that you only keep $250,000 per bank account. So if you have more money cash than that than you're keeping in accounts, you should maybe go open up new bank accounts so that each one can be FDIC insured up to $250,000. So that's the answer. You can keep however much money that you want in your cash balance. Millions of dollars if that's what you choose to do. There's not really a limit besides the limits that you can cash out and the limit that's insured. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.